Hello, welcome back to Auto Animals. So today I'm going to try and change the air filter on the Grande Punto for a K&N air filter. So let's see how easy it is to actually do this. This is probably quite a straightforward job, but I want to document it just so we can see how easy or hard this is actually going to be. Okay, move the new air filter to one side for now. I need to switch that backwards. Is this drill bit going to be big enough? Oh god, or is it going to be... No, I need a much bigger bit than that. Have I got one bigger than that? That might do it. No, no, bigger than that. Hopefully this is long enough as well. There we go. Oh Christ, they're quite long bolts in this. Oh, what am I getting myself in for here? Okay, this one's a bit trickier to get to, and it's... Oh good, the drill's fallen apart. Okay. There we go. Tighten that up. Take this one out by hand. Come on, you're almost there. Okay, I'm just going to tilt you down a bit. That's better. Right, there is one more on this side. Okay, that's 4. It looks like there's some clips. Why do I get the impression I'm going to have to disconnect the hose as well? Yeah, probably am. Okay, that comes off quite easily by the looks of it. There's a Jubilee clip on there, but it hasn't got a screw, it's just clamped on. One would imagine. Oh, there's that. You just wiggle this off. He says. I should have read a guide on this. Because this looks like there's a hinge on this side. Oh, or a lip that you can just... There we go. Perfect. I don't even need to take this off actually. So... Whole filter comes out. Oh, that needs changing. Right, new one. Up to 75,000 miles between cleanings. Yeah, we'll see. There we go. This was 50 quid delivered. Let's hope it's 50 quid well spent. Interesting. It's a lot smaller. Interesting. The question is, there's some crap in there. I might just pull some of this out. Now, was there a particular way around this one? Yeah, it has to go that way around. Okay. Should just slot in there nicely. There we go. Oops. Okay, and then show you. There is some clips on this side, which it should just tuck under, which is how I got it in there originally, or how I pulled it out even. Oh. I need two hands. Okay. Right, we're back. Bloody cordless dual battery went flat, didn't it? So I'm going to try and do these last 3 screws now by hand, if my screwdrivers are big enough. Okay, my neighbour to the rescue. Right. Christ, that is going in there. I'm probably threading this, but I will live. Christ, I need to make one of these. Proper drill. Christ. There we go. Right, let's see how it sounds. Okay, so it's the next afternoon, and we're going to take the car out for a little drive and see how this sounds under load now, and see how the air filter sounds. Let's give it a go. Okay. Traffic. Here we go. Foot to the floor. Sounds a bit beefier. I'm not getting any turbo flutter. Yes, it was only a massive improvement, but you'd hear it more with a cone filter. But a cone filter would lose your horsepower because of heat soak. I think the car is deeper and throatier and roars more. That's kind of what I want. So, yeah. For the fact I've got a reusable air filter for 50 quid. Normal air filter would cost, what, 15, 20 quid? Every time you have a major service. Or a major service. Yeah, I'd be inclined to say it's not bad. Not as good as a cone, but more efficient than a cone. And cones will just cause more problems. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and like and subscribe so that more people can see this video. And yeah, we'll see you next time.